Hello and welcome to this guide on line planning in Contour. Today we will cover how to create a plan, adding applications and creating polygons within that plan, bulk adjusting, and how to download reports and GPS files. Firstly, open Contour and then go to the Planning tab. On the left-hand side, choose pH for line planning. In here, you will see that you can view plans made in all years or in specific harvest years. Before creating a new plan, ensure that you are in the correct farm and in the correct harvest year. Then select Create New Plan. First, give the plan a name. You can then select the fields that you wish to have in the plan. You can either do this by selecting all fields, or if you select the arrow, you can unconcertina these sections and either select by individual crop type or by individual fields. In the mapping window, you can view a map for pHs, for cropping, or for last analyzed date. And you can also see in here a minimum pH, which is the lowest zone, or an average pH for the field. You also have analysis dates in here. Once you're happy, select Next. Here we will apply a target pH. Again, this can be done by selecting all fields or specific crops. And the mapping window will show pH, cropping, or soil last analyzed as before. Choose an appropriate pH and select Apply and Save. Once the plan has been created, you will need to add an application. So select Add Application. Then choose your timing. Custom timings can be created. Select a product. Again, custom products should be created. There are defaulted product types. And choose an NV. Select your start date. Application type, which is rate per 0.1 of pH. An application rate. In this instance, I will do 1 ton per hectare. An incorporation method. And then select Next. Here we will choose the fields that we wish to apply that product to. In this window, you can also add polygons. To do this, select New. Give the polygon a value. And then on the map, simply click around the area that you wish to apply that rate to. When you double click, it will save the polygon and it will clip that polygon to the boundary of the field. You can name the polygon. And once you're happy that you've created all the polygons, select Save. And this will add a polygon that will override the underlying rate. In here, you can also edit individual zone rates by selecting Edit Rate from the map window, choosing a zone, and giving that zone a new rate. Once you're happy, select Save Changes, and select Apply. This has created your application. You can edit that by selecting this application, by selecting the pencil, and then going through the same process as we did before. To bulk adjust, we choose the bulk adjust icon. You can expand these options with the arrow and select either individual fields or whole plans, and choose a new total, either by percentage or by total tonnage, and select Calculate. This will update the tonnage to your chosen figure. Finally, to download job sheets and GPS files, select the three dots, choose Downloads, choose the fields that you wish to display, choose Job Sheet with Maps, select the file type, and select Generate Download. To then view your downloads, go to the Downloads tab at the top. If the download is grayed out, select Refresh. Select the green link, and this will download your PDF job sheets and your GPS files to the chosen area of your computer. Thank you for listening. If you've got any questions, please reach out to your local RHIZA representative.